Welcome to Public Speaking Training for Beginners, and today we're talking about physiology. So let's talk about physiology for a little bit. Let's talk about how we physically affect our nerves when we're getting going. When we're getting going. There's various things you need to do when it comes to your physiology, right? We need to have a ritual that allows us to get our nerves under control. So we need to look at things like maybe meditation might work for you, maybe visualization might work for you, maybe using Neuro linguistic programming, emotional freedom technique, doing a little bit of exercise just to be able to calm the nerves down. There's so many different techniques. If you look at Amy Cuddy's video on TED as well about power posing, how that affects our confidence and our physiology. But there's some very basic things you can do right away that will affect your physiology. The first thing, of course, is just slightly opening your chest out. I don't mean like sticking it out, but just slightly opening your chest out. The other thing you can do, of course, is just lift your head up a little bit. Shoulders back, chest out, head up. That's the first thing. Because remember, if I'm looking down and I'm talking down, then it's heavy, right? But if I'm looking up, slight, and this is for women as much as men, just chest slightly open, shoulders back, standing there, that will help you be in your certainty, right? That will help you really stand there in your power. The other thing, of course, is really planting your feet into the floor, right? Not being light off them, really not, not wobbling backwards and forwards, not leaning into your hip, which some people do. Standing there, feet planted into the floor, right? Chest open, shoulders back, stomach in, head up. If you just do that immediately, you'll see physiologically that it's going to change, right? You need to hold it. You need to really hold it. But of course, before even coming on stage, what's important is you have a little ritual of getting ready. So we talked about, mindfulness, meditation, visualization, neuro-linguistic programming, emotional freedom technique, maybe doing some exercise, power posing by Amy Cuddy. All these things will really help you get ready to come on stage. And then when you come on stage, plant your feet into the ground, stand nice and tall, chest open, head up. That will really help your physiology. So make sure you get practicing, and of course know your content inside out. But we'll get to content another time. So this has been a training, public speaking training for beginners, and this has been about physiology. Till the next video.